Hey cleaners, this is Brett with Essential Element Carpet Cleaning. I'm working on a few rooms of carpet in a house out on 30A across from what used to be called the Hub. I think it's called the Chill or something like that now. Anyhow, there was a post on the group here about there being somebody not being paid for their work and it being months worth of work. I saw the post. My wife and I kind of discussed it a little bit. I wanted to send a quick message out. Maybe the person will see this, but it'll go to everyone. Know your worth is what a lot of people have been saying on that, and that goes into play before you get 2 months into not being paid. Now it's time to start knowing your worth in the sense of mental health space, stress load, releasing some things, and moving forward. You can't know your worth pay-wise and not be paid for 2 months and then go back and say, know your worth, know your worth. I get that. Yeah, we need to know our worth and work for what we're worth, okay? But at this point, you've not been paid for 2 months worth of work. It's not looking like you're going to get paid. It might be time to just not completely let it go. I would stay consistent in requesting the money. I would stay persistent, talking to the person about how you need to be paid for your services. But at this point now, it's also, you're gonna, for mental health's sake, for moving yourself forward cleaning wise, time to let the person go and move on. Go find somewhere else to be. Those screaming know your worth, a little bit too late for that at this point. This will help this cleaner know her worth or his worth. I'm not sure who it is. They posted anonymously in this group. This will be a learning lesson to where they will know their worth. That's how we know things, is through learning, right? This is going to be a learning experience. But don't scream know your worth at them now. At this point, it's a little bit too late. Now you got to know your worth in the sense of your mental health space and in your growth of your business. If you're a cleaner, you haven't been paid for a while, don't quit asking for the money that you're owed. We're not saying that. But for your mental health space and for the growth of your business, let that person go and put those energies towards acquiring a new clean or multiple cleans to make up for the money that you're losing out of that one. You'll spend more time trying to gain a few pennies when you could gain a client that would be worth many, many, many more thousands of dollars than you lost. I've dealt with it myself. I know several others that have dealt with it. This is just where I find to be the best mental health space. Y'all have a great day. Be great, do good jobs, and keep growing your businesses.